Hazrat, if I may ask one question. Some people want to know, was there any indication from Allah to Huzur before the election that Huzur will be the fourth Khalifa?
I don't think so, in the sense that there was no indication which made me know exactly what was going to happen to me. But there are certain dreams or visions which had warned me against this. You know, so I interpreted them intentionally in a different way. So as far as a clear prediction is concerned, which said definitely you are going to be this never happened. So it was a sort of surprise, most certainly, but a surprise which had a vague indication of something which was going to happen. This is exactly the state of affairs.
سألت